you take? Today we are discussing about that progressions chapter only. Progressions. Right, see first of all, what is the meaning of progression? See, progression means the number of things in an order is called a progression. Okay now, right, see, the number of things in an order is called a progression. Right, let us take an example, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 up to so on. So this is called a progression because it is in the order. Okay now, right, now types of progressions only. Types of progressions. Right, see, you have mainly 3 types of progressions you have, but in 10th class you have only 2 types of progressions only. So that is, one is arithmetic progression. Another one is geometric progression. Right, and one more thing is harmonic progression. About harmonic progression we don't have in 10th class. These two only you have in 10th class only. Right, so now I am explaining these two only. Right, first arithmetic progressions only. Arithmetic progression, it can be simply write down APM. Right, see, arithmetic progression, first the general form of arithmetic progression is a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma up to so on a plus nd comma a plus of n minus 1 into d. So this is called as general form. Okay na? So in this, the first term is a. Okay na? A is the first term. Okay na? First term. Right? A plus d is the second term. Okay na? A plus 2d is the third term. Right? Then a plus of n minus 1 into d is the nth term. Okay na? Right? Now we can write down the nth term of AP. An is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. In this, a is equals to first term only. Right? N is equal to nth term. D is equals to common difference. Right? Then you write down common difference. D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term means A2 minus first term means A1. Okay, D is equals to A2 minus A1. Right? So from this you have to substitute in this formula. Okay, then we have to get that nth term of. Let us take an example. 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 up to so on. This series lies in the AP or not. Okay na? Right, see, so whenever the given series are lie in the AP or not, then you check it in this case. So first you have to write down the numbers A1, A2, A3 up to so on. Okay na? Right, I am writing here, see, A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 4, A3 is equal to 6, and A4 is equal to 8 only. Right? So then you have to do here common difference. See, common difference, D is equal to formula A2 minus A1. Okay na? A2 minus A1. Right, see, first one A2 means 4 only. 4 minus A1 means 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay na? Right, next this is D1. Next you can take D2. D2 means third term minus second term. Okay, what is third term? A3 minus A2. Third term means 6 minus second term means 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Let's see here in this D1 and D2 the values are same. Okay now. So then the given series are lie in the AP. Okay now. So see, take another one. For suppose 3, 6, 9, 12 up to so on. Same. Either it is lie in the AP or not, then you check it only. So whenever the given series lie in the AP means the D is the same to all these together. Okay now. Then it is in the AP. See, simply we write down 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, next 9 minus 6, 3. Next 12 minus 9, 3. Okay, see the difference between these two numbers is 3 only. Then automatically the number lie in the AP. Okay now. So here the condition, whenever the D is same to all those numbers, then that is in the AP. Okay now. See 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 up to so on. Then find seventh term. Okay na? Right, see, so in this series given, write down A1 is equal to 2, next A2 is equal to 3, next A3 is equal to 4, next A4 is equals to 5. Okay na? You know already the formula of AN is equal to A plus of N minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find the nth term of AP. Let's see, in this you know already A1 means A and D, first term A, that is 2. Okay na? N means, then which term we have to find out in, that is N and D. So N is equal to how much and here? We are finding 7th term, then N is equal to 7 we have to write here. Okay na? Then we have to finding D. D means, you know, D means what only? A2 minus A1. Okay na? So D is equal to A2 means 3 minus A1 means 2 and 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay na? At these three substitute in this, then AN means 7, then A7 is equal to, right, A means 2 plus of N means 7 minus 1 into D means 1. Okay na? Let's see. Then 2 plus of 7 minus 1, 6 into 1, right? Then 2 plus 6 ones are 6 and then 6 plus 2 is 8. Therefore A7 is equals to 8. Okay, right? So this is the process to find out in the nth term of AP. Okay na? In AP we have to finding the sum of the nth terms. Then we can write down sum of the nth terms is written as SN only. SA means sum of the nth term is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay na? Let's see this. N by 2 of, okay na, 2a we can write down a plus a and d. A plus a is 2a. Okay. Then plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay na? Then let us see n by 2 of a plus, you know already, a plus of n minus 1 into d. Just now only you have to learn what is that. A plus of n minus 1 into d is equals to an. Then we have to write down an here. Okay. Then Sn is equals to n by 2 of a plus an. Right? Let us take an example. 3, 6, 9, 12 are lie in the AP. Then find the eighth term and sum of the nth term amma, sum of the nth term. Right, see, let us take 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 up to so on. So from this we write down a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 6, a3 is equal to 9, then a4 is equal to 12 amma. Right, so first we have to find the eighth term and sum of the nth terms andi. Right, see, so you know that basic method an is equal to formula a plus of n minus 1 into d amma. Okay na, so in this we have to find a, n and d andi. Right, write down a is equal to first term 3 amma, then d is equals to formula you have a2 minus a1, that is a2 means 6 amma, minus 7 means 3 andi, then 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Right, next n is equal to this term andi 8 term no, then n is equal to 8 to write down. Right, then substitute these terms in this, then n means 8 and a8 is equal to a means 3 plus of n means 8 amma, minus 1 into d means 3 andi. Right, then 3 plus of 8 minus 1, 7 into 3, that is equals to 3 plus 7 3 is 21, then 21 plus 3 is 24 amma. This is a8. Okay na, right, so now we have to find on sum of the nth terms amma. Sum of the nth term means you know the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 of a plus of n minus 1 into d amma. You know already n by 2 of a plus, this we can write down a plus of n minus 1 into d is equal to what andi, an no, then write down simply here an. Okay na, right, n means 8 amma, then 8 by 2 of a means 3 plus an means how much came andi, an means a8 no. Okay na, a8 means 24. Okay na, right, see, cut it, 2 ones are 2 fours are, then see 4 into 24 plus 3 amma 27, then multiply 4 with 27, 7 4s are 28, 2 remaining, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10 and this is 108. Okay na, therefore S8 is equals to how much andi, 108. Okay, so this is the answer to finding the sum of the nth terms amma. Okay na.